morning, good morning, good morning. Well, it may not be good morning for you, but it's good morning for me. It is Monday. And I got 2 days outside only homes. So I figured I would just take you all along. It's been a long time since I just done some work footage of working. So that's basically all it's gonna be. If you got questions, comment below. If you got better ways to do things, comment below. If you like the video, push the thumbs up. If you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down. I hope you won't do that, but if you feel the need, that's understandable. So anyways, it is 85 degrees today. Hasn't been too crazy warm here, but it's super beautiful right here right now as far as the weather goes. So it's just a glorious time cleaning windows. So anyways, I will take you along for these couple days of a few houses, and I think it will go very nicely. And it's all outside onlys. The best. The best, the best. Outside only, residential. You can do that all day, every day. Have been looking on my TikTok, but thank you Nick Williams for the insanely cool squeegees that were customly painted. I have a few videos on TikTok, but freaking awesome. So anyways, let's get going. Say this too for exterior window cleaning. When there are screens on the outside of the windows, what do you do? It's one of the biggest questions I get from people. So usually if it is 2 stories and I'm going to use water fed pole, I will go in and I will ask the customer, I will say, hey, for me to do this, I have to come in and remove your screens. Never had a customer say no. If it's all easily, can get it from the outside, no problems at all, take out the screens, clean the windows at the same time, and that's what I do. So that's the most efficient. I've actually made a lot of videos like that where people have asked me, why aren't you water fed pulling? It's because people weren't home. I had a ladder up anyways. So if I'm gonna ladder up there, I'm gonna clean the window traditionally, clip it, clean the screen while I'm on the ladder, and then that's it. And then that's gonna be the most efficient way to get that window clean. So that's just what I do as far as screens when doing exterior only. So I'm all done with today, but I was going to tell you about the last house that I did. Last house I did, water pressure horrible. Didn't have my booster pump. TDS was actually extremely high. A bunch of rust came out of the hose line at first. I don't experience that much here, stuff like that. So what I do now is in my area, I can usually have my RODI if the pressure, if the TDS is high. Usually pressure's never an issue. And then I always carry my my Unger hydropower in case I just want to use DI only in case the TDS is too low. And usually DI only, your water pressure is always pretty good. But anyways, TDS was too high, couldn't run the hydropower, pressure was super low, so I had to run it through. So I was only able to attach, there was just like literally 8 windows, well actually technically 6 windows that my ladders couldn't get up to, and I was doing outside only. So I water fed pulled all of that, but man, the pressure was just horrible. Couldn't use the rinse bar, nothing. And that's all due to the house. That's what I'm saying, is that that's one thing you have to prepare for with water fed pull, is that you can come across situations like that, and that's when you need a booster pump. I always encourage people, have a booster pump on you. My bad, I didn't have one, but I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, just kind of wanted to give you some insight to that house. Didn't go great, but it went good. But it was pretty dirty, and happy to get it cleaned up. another beautiful scenery today.